In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move from Cloudways to a better managed WordPress hosting alternative. If you manage WordPress sites for clients, run an agency, or publish content at scale, you already know that hosting can either speed up your workflow or slow everything down. Cloudways has been a popular option for flexible cloud hosting, but for many users, pricing markups, limited refund flexibility, and the need to manage server resources manually can create unnecessary friction. The good news is that there are now modern alternatives that make performance, security, and day to day management much easier. The first thing to do is define your core requirements and choose the platform that best fits your needs. If your priority is value, the ability to host many websites, and a simple custom dashboard, Hostinger Cloud Hosting is a strong option. If you run a busy WooCommerce store or a large publication and need premium performance on Google Cloud infrastructure, Kinsta is a great fit. And if you prefer a lightweight control panel that lets you bring your own cloud provider while avoiding extra markup, a platform like xCloud may be the better route. Once you've chosen your new provider, open your browser, go to that host's website, and sign in to your dashboard. From there, head to the website management area and look for the option to add a new site or create a website. Choose Managed WordPress so you can launch a clean, optimized environment built specifically for WordPress. Next, it's time to migrate your live site. In your new hosting dashboard, find the migration section and select the option to request a free migration or use the provider's migration plugin if that's available. Enter your current Cloudways SFTP and application details, then submit the request. This allows the host to securely copy your files, database, themes, and media in the background, helping you avoid downtime during the move. After the site has been copied over, create a staging environment. Look for the environment switch in the dashboard and change it from live to staging. This gives you a safe clone of the site where you can test updates, plugins, and changes without affecting visitors on the production version. To improve speed, go to the Tools or Performance section and activate any built-in Cloudflare integration or edge caching feature. This helps route traffic through a global caching network, which can improve load times and reduce server strain automatically. Finally, before pointing your domain to the new host, review everything carefully. Make sure the domain is correct, security protections are active, backups are enabled, and the dashboard shows healthy performance status across the board. Once that's confirmed, you're ready to launch with a faster, simpler, and more modern WordPress hosting setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.